In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import an HTML email template on your Gmail. To begin, open Gmail in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. Once your inbox is loaded, look toward the top left area and click the Compose button. This opens a new message window where you can build an email. Now click once inside the main email body area, which is the large blank space where your message normally goes. At this point, you will paste your HTML email content. Press Ctrl+V on your keyboard to paste. If you are on a Mac, you will typically use Command+V, but the goal is the same. Paste the template content directly into the body of the email. A quick tip here is to make sure your template is copied from the right source before you paste. If your HTML is designed to render as a formatted email, you should see your layout appear inside the message area. If the formatting looks off, try copying the content again from the original source and paste it one more time into Gmail. Also, give Gmail a moment to finish loading images or spacing, since large templates can take a second to display correctly. Once your email body contains the template exactly how you want it, you will save it as a reusable template in Gmail. In the Compose window, find the More Options menu. It is the icon with 3 dots, usually near the bottom right of the Compose box. Click the 3 dots, then move to Templates, then choose Save Draft as Template. From there, select Save as New Template. Gmail will prompt you to name your template. Choose a clear, recognizable name that will be easy to find later, such as a newsletter layout, a welcome email, or a follow-up template name that matches its purpose. After you save it, the template will be available in the Templates menu whenever you compose a new email, so you can insert it quickly without rebuilding the design each time. And that is all there is to it.